Hey all, this video is about releasing expectations in order to really enjoy your life even more, to feel that bliss and to live in the now. Why would you do that? Because it's a great way to live. I just tried this myself a couple weeks ago and oh wow, things have been so much better for me. I just read a quote from Stephen Hawking that said all his expectations were reduced to zero when he was age 21. And since then, after that happened, his life has just been one bonus after another. It's just been filled with bonuses and good things coming his way because he didn't expect anything. And when the good things came, he was happy. And when the not so good things came, it's like, okay, that's life. And I think it's really empowering to disempower the emotions of when bad things happen, you feel disappointed and mistrustful and betrayed and stuff. All those emotions eat up your insides in one way or another, and the longer they're allowed to be inside of you, in your energy, and the more you dwell on things that disappointed you. I can't believe what they did to me. I can't believe that my boss didn't give me the promotion he promised after all those months of extra effort and free overtime and stuff. It's easy to get into that. I have been there many, many times. And release it, let it go. So all you have to do is clear your governing vessel meridian while you talk about releasing your expectations. So think of just one thing right now, maybe two, about you feel disappointed in life, right? And we're just going to clear it out, and we're going to do that by either tapping under your nose above your upper lip like this with a couple of fingers, very gently. Harder is not better. Or you can take either palm, face it towards your mouth, and just run it over the center of your face, top of your head, back of your head, pull it away, and continually do that. And that's very good to clear the governing vessel meridian, which as you repeat about what you want to let go, it clears your energy system, and it feels so good. Oh, it's incredible. So think about those one or two things that you've been disappointed about, and it's okay to get angry. It's okay to laugh. It's okay to vent, to rant. Let it go. So here we go. I now release my feelings of betrayal and mistrust and disgust and fear that the bad times will never end. As I clear my governing vessel meridian now, I release these emotions. I thought the health of the planet would be better now. I thought the political climate would be better now. I thought there'd be peace on earth now. I release my expectations of what's going on, and I release my expectations of other people and my feelings of disappointment and how I gave and gave and gave and got little or nothing in return. I release my feelings of being taken for granted at work, in love, on the job. I release all my emotions of betrayal, of grief, of loss. I release these expectations that treating me with respect and dignity as I do with others, it wasn't received back, or it wasn't received very often. I let all these expectations go now. I release these expectations that I thought I would be doing better in business or book sales. I release these expectations and this fear and terror that life is never going to get better, because it hasn't in the last couple of years. But you know, maybe it really has, because all we see is the bad things that the media shows us, and online and on TV, and I do my best to avoid all that, but it still slips in. I let go of these emotions now and these energies, all these non-beneficial energies and emotions. And I just shake out my hands, shake out my body, and let the bliss come in. I now open my energy to 100% pure bliss, 100% life force, 100% happiness, joy. And I choose to live in the now. Which, by the way, the subconscious mind will often fight living in the now, because it wants to pick at things and worry about things and find things to get mad about and get a little adrenaline rush and such. You don't need that. Being at peace is so important, especially in these challenging times that have been going on for years, right? So thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment if you enjoyed this video. Let me know what else you'd like to see. Let me know what results you had from this video. And also, if you are interested in learning how to dowse and heal yourself, Fearless Accurate Dowsing, my book is on Amazon. It was a bestseller the first weekend it was released. And people around the world have contacted me and said it's made a huge difference in their life. You can do this. Take good care of yourself. Remember, a lot of people love you and depend on you, even though you may not see it or feel it. They're watching you from afar, especially the little kids. And you're uplifting their lives. You're shedding your light on the planet. You're uplifting your neighborhood just by being you and doing these kind of exercises. So peace out. Namaste. Bye for now.